It is sad, but it's true. New developers are getting screwed. If you're fresh out of bootcamp or college, brace yourself. This industry is not exactly rolling the red carpet for you. Let's dive in. Once upon a time, you'd hear promises about growth, mentorship, and exciting projects for new developers. But is it still happening? The short answer is no. If you're applying for an entry-level position, be ready to be required to have at least 3 or 4 years of experience. But how can you get 3 or 4 years of experience if this is an entry-level job? Well, it will be hard, but it's not impossible. There is a way to get experience to get in the door. To be perfectly honest, every summer I have trained students that did their internship in my company. Some of them were high school students, some of them were freshmen in college. They definitely were not paid, but the experience they gained was amazing and helped them land a job out of college. So it is really hard and really competitive, but you can still land a job. You just need to work a little hard for it. But why are new developers getting screwed now? Well, it is no accident. Number one, cost-cutting measures. Everyone knows that the economy is not doing too great right now. Number two, you can blame AI. In the old days, when a senior developer needed some simple functionality or a small screen to be developed, they would normally need an entry-level or junior developer to do this kind of work. But today, this is exactly what AI is helping senior developers do. So no more need for people with little experience. So why is it bad? Many reasons. The worst of all is the fact that the current generation of senior developers doesn't have a solid trail behind to transfer the knowledge and best practices to this new generation. So in a few years, this will be a problem. It will also be very dangerous. We will have mid-level developers that are so dependent on AI that if AI stops working or if AI gets hijacked, no developers of the future will be able to fix it or stop it. So should you become a developer? Short answer, yes. Just make sure to do some internships in the summer starting in high school. Paid or not, this will help you land your first job. But what about you? Are you looking to become a developer? Do you believe that AI can replace you? Let me know in the comment sections. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as usual, I will see you in the next one.